Yardstyle Live is brought to you by Willie's Touch Roof and Cool Out Spot. 115A Mullines Road, Kingston, Jamaica, that. And this segment is brought to you by the legendary Backyard magazine.
And on Yardstyle Live this week we have Curtisay. Curtisay, welcome to Yardstyle Live.
Bless up, thanks for having me.
I don't know them, so you know elbow them.
Respect.
I think we are going to know you. So, Curtisay, welcome to Yardstyle Live. Make yourself comfortable, you don't know it go. Curtisay, the name, Curtisay, where is it from? How this name came into me? Because you know, as I said on my show, you know, a Yardstyle Live, and yes, we keep it real. The Curtis name, well, I don't know, you know, you listen to the name Curtis. So you name Curtis and you say Curtisay, so how that name came into being?
Well, my original name was The Cambia, and for marketing purposes, we wanted to give something which was brand new, you know? So, my original name is Curtis, my middle initial is A, so I just say Curtisay and just fling it in with a ring on it and put a Y on it, you know?
Yeah.
Complete it.
Yeah, watch the Y now. Yeah, put a Y on it. Yeah, watching this name and the Y.
Well, I got started in music in school.
Which school?
I was at school overseas, Samuel Gumpas. So we started actually in music, we started rapping. It wasn't even reggae and DJing. So that's when I got started in school. And that kind of led me into the music business because I used to have a good friend, him teach me how to write. One day me and him walk and we have a competition basically. He was teaching me how to write. So we was talking about who write better, who write this and that. And a man just there walk out of a chicken shop. Same time him hear a conversation and say, what? When you can rap? Alright, no worry. Come and we settle it, man. Me have a studio right around the corner. Come at the studio. And just like that, we follow him to the studio. And my brother and I say, yo, don't rap. DJ, use the Jamaican style. So I go in there and do it, and when I do it, I just go crazy in the place, and from that, I started in the music industry, did my first recording, and just continued on, never stopped since that.
So basically your career started over in America?
Yeah.
And then you came back, when did you came back to like Jamaica?
Came back to Jamaica in around 2009, I think. 2008, 2009. Yeah.
So at that point when you come back, did you go back into the studio and say, listen, I go voice or something?
That was the mission, man.
That was the mission?
That was the mission.
Okay.
So that was the first thing I do. The first thing I do was go to mixing lab. And when we got to mixing lab...
You know, mixing lab and the maker.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's how the place, if you know, mixing lab and music works and certain studios, it's like, you know, that's at the high school.
First base was Berry's and mixing lab. When we went to Berry's studio, Harmony House there, I think we never get in. So we just went to mixing lab after that, and yeah, that was it.
So at mixing lab, who did you be in contact with? Like the owner for the place, you kind of Mr. Roy Francis, or engineers there, like you have Fata and you have Bull.
Yeah.
They were the main people there at the time.
Listen, I don't even remember the name of the producer that was there, but I see him the other day on an interview. I can't remember his name. Actually, when we went, because you know, we was just going there, no invitation, no nobody, just show up at the studio. I would show up and I tell him, and I perform some music and thing, and him give me a piece of advice where lead up to who I am today. And the first advice him give me was that, yo, find a little youth your age, we are produce in your community. We are build rhythm and go and work with them and start produce your song them and find somewhere and record them and He basically taught me how to be a producer.
Okay.
And I did and him tell me like come back in a 2 or 3 years time. And I did exactly that, what him did say. And started producing. I never even end up go back in the 2, 3 years time. Just because of everything that took place after that.
So you got a lesson, right?
I got a lesson, a valuable lesson.
A valuable lesson.
Yeah.
So from that lesson that you basically learned, you basically reading your bio say that you found a label.
Yeah.
It's called what? Best Out
Yeah, we ended up forming a label called Best Out Entertainment. Me and my close friend of mine, which is militant right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So during that period of time, did you do any songs? Like, what did you put out? Like the first song. If you can remember even a couple of the songs. Sometimes you can't remember the first song. You can't remember the songs.
Yeah. All right. Then, I came up with the idea. We did a mixtape. It was 3 of us, and we did a number of songs on the mixtape. And what we used to do, we used to go out and promote the CD. Then we used to go out and give them away at the same time, kind of selling it to the taxi man them. So we used to go to, it was my plan, say, yo, we hit all of the taxi stand them. So same way, we get a little money from it, we can buy back some more CD, and while the taxi man them play the song. No, we never reached this yet. And then after that now, the people them at the taxi them would hear the music and, So we did that and we leave the number them on the CD them and we carry them out every taxi stand and we tell the taxi man them anything, give it anything over $50 and you get one. I just buy back some more CD.
So that was way before the Instagram and
that was way before Instagram and them thing
there.
That
no.
So
Yardstyle Live.
Yeah.
Then did it. What they call it? Organically.
Organic.
Like, no, WhatsApp, Instagram.
Street promotion, street promotion, and that led us to meeting a man by the name of Delroy Collins. Him call we, and then from him now, him set up the thing more, teach us, set the thing more professionally and network the thing to where him carry to some radio man where Mighty Mike now was the Mighty Mike wasn't the first person to play me on radio, but he was the first person to play me consecutively. So him kind of put the song in a rotation, and that was a song, I believe the first one was Show Me Make Me Go For.
Oh, that song they go now. Curtisay, you're not going to tell me about the song, so the song.
Yeah, man.
No, you're going to sing this because
because something like,
me, with the Yardstyle Live, remember saying, it's a, yes, I will keep it real.
Yeah, man.
So Curtisay there, and you can't just tell me the song, you're going to sing part of the song.
Them time the song they say, we used to a bit rough, but now we a bit rougher. Been through the struggle, but now we a bit tougher. So anyway you see, just call me, make me go far. Anyway you see, just show me, make me go far. When me say me hunting, not necessarily mean a gun thing. Just mean we're desperately looking for something.
People honestly that, Curtisay. Soon tell one if you find it, but you want me to jump back in the interview again. So, when you voiced that song, what was the response?
Voiced that song. That song was a funny song. I voiced that song in about 2009-10. Actually, they have a little thing in the song where one part time I did call out my number, my phone number. So I say, so anytime you see it, just call my phone number, 2926759. And if you're looking for me, I'll be on the live line. So that now, Mighty Mike used to play it on the radio.
And your phone will stop ringing.
Cash Pot Time, every time before Cash Pot Time, the song they used to play. Johnny Cool used to play it enough too. Every time the song play, I know, because anytime the song play, my phone I got lock off. That every time the song play, I get so much phone call that my phone lock off.
Yeah.
Like 100 and odd call, same time some girl I call, I say, busy, Bunty, move on. Like them don't know who.
What stage for the recording now? You're supposed to be the second artist call out and number. I can't tell you no one song.
Yeah.
But you call it out?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, man, this was in 2010 though. This is a long
People
time.
that are before Instagram and WhatsApp get prevalent. Man, you just leave out your phone number and people call and your phone just get.
I know this is Music Phill and this is Yardstyle Live. I don't know, on Yardstyle Live today we have Curtisay, Yardstyle Live, Curtisay by Yardstyle Live. Curtisay, big up yourself, you don't know.
Listen. Curtisay, it's Gambio. Collecting all the money for it's over. When me say, if you don't know nothing more losing, You want a real winner? Yeah, we are real winner. If you don't know, not no more losses. You want a real winner? Yeah, we are. One thing me know about myself, be resilient, never give up in our life. One thing me know about myself, be resilient, never give up in our. Can't give up in our life. 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 No, no. All when the journey long and road rough like Duns River, we still a climb to the top. No care the obstacles, we still a rise like east, you know. That's how we deal with the door. That's why my pockets are swell. Remember all the nights when me stuck in a jail. Every single L is a lesson as well. So me appreciate the bad times as well. All of me disappointment prepare me for every appointment. Judge a soldier, me anointed. That's why the evil are fighting, them are fighting. It's like a jungle sometimes, I really wanna know me keep from going under. Yeah, yeah. And then remember my granny used to tell me when I kill I make you stronger. And one thing me know about myself. Yeah man, give me the next one there. Yeah man, you see the one you know. After the times you will live, you know. You have to be very careful when you go out, you know. Keep God in your heart, God in your mind, and in your surroundings. You see me? Say a verse and pray. Keep the devil away. Yeah, yeah. Without Jah in my pocket yard. Without Jah, me nah left me yard. Can't left it, can't leave it. Can't left it, can't. Me nah left me yard. Without Jah in my pocket yard. Without Jah, me nah left me yard. Nah left it, nah leave it. Nah left it, nah leave it. Off the charge can't roam alone. Signal connect, don't need no phone. If I call Panja, them a fall and drop. Be a red a bounce like a ripe mango. Me know where God bring. Jah protect my crown and my whole offspring. Me and jails always there by my side. So me no worry about shadow and night. No, me no fear them. My life content. All me need is Jah and my family. And a double O. Yeah, we no fear them. My life content. Me still a roll with Jada every day when me on the road. Me nah left me yard. Without Jah in my pocket yard. Without Jah me nah left me yard. Nah left me nah leave it. Nah left me nah. Me nah left me yard. Without Jah in my pocket yard. Without Jah me nah left me yard. Nah left me nah leave it. Nah left me nah leave it. Yeah man, big up you know. You don't know Yardstyle, Curtisay. Bless up, guidance. Music Phill.
I don't know people, this is Curtisay. You know, big up yourself, Curtisay. Thanks for making it on Yardstyle Live.
Yeah man, so based on the feedback I get from that song now, what did it do? What did it do to Curtisay's career?
Well, that wasn't Curtisay. At that time, it was Cambio.
Cambio.
So that time, Cambio was building up a very good buzz, you know, like the Curtisay, the Montego Bay, St. Elizabeth. GT Taylor was also one of the DJs who played that song a lot.
Yeah, Taylor Island tour.
So, yeah, in a them time.
Yeah, man. Them time the tour, you know.
Yeah, man, them time that was promotion, man, street promotion.
Yeah, man, you have a thing in Island tour.
Yeah,
if
man, and if you know book feet, you look feet.
You look feet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And we know them tour things. When I talk about the overseas, you know.
Yeah, man.
You have some little tour like Pepsi
Whole heap
tour.
of shows, man. Yeah, whole heap of shows them time, man. Every week was a show them time. I get tired to perform on stage show after one point.
Okay.
To how we used to do show back then. To now where we are saying, Jano, we miss a stage show, we wish we could have get one for the right now.
Well, you have no. It's a Yardstyle Live, you know, so we stage our own show.
Yeah, man.
So Curtisay, let me ask you though, so most memorable performance, like, I remember saying you do an island tour.
Yeah.
Name even one or two performances you can say, it's that performance, you know, I never forget it because it make me just look into myself and say, yo, I'm going to do better, and I'm going to change certain things, like, yeah, well, I'm not going to do it so again.
Yeah. Most memorable performance was After Champs performance.
Yo, that big, you know?
Yeah, and the thing with it is like, I never even booked for the show. Like, actually, they are part of producer and the next artist were booked for the show. And we go there and I say, yo, you can't talk to the promoter for me. And me get to work on the show to get to sing one song. You know, a promotion them time there.
And Champs hot.
Champs hot Champs. So, think this is just a little bit after Usain Bolt winning medal them. So, you know, track and field well hot. So, Calabar win the year there. And remember it because this is the key thing to the
You know the
story.
Calabar people might jump up and down in the interview.
Yeah, man, right now. So,
Yeah.
Calabar win and this youth now where me a part him go up for perform and yo, the crowd mean, you know, cause Tommy lead it for the night there. And
Do you know?
the crowd I say, talk it I get late now and Tommy Lee must come through the gate and them see him come in and the crowd up on Tommy Lee. So them no want to see no other artist. And my bridging time for go perform. So my bridging for go perform now and him go up there and whatever I must say probably might try big up Calabar or something, but
And
it miss and the crowd misinterpret it. And when they misinterpret it, a beer buckle him get boo, tear him down. And I acting just perform before him. So it was a wicked thing, cause like I acting just tear down the stage and then now them a call up a young artist and the whole crowd I say, Tommy Lee. So Tommy Lee them want and them send up this youth where nobody know. Boo him and buckle him. After him now the man look for me and I say, next. So I look for me and I said, next. After I see the man, they get beer buckle and thing. And
So what you do?
I go up there and I say, yo, nah, make what happen to him, happen to me, you know. So I go up there and I remember when I say, but I cook up something and say something about Calabar and the whole place say, hey! And then I just drop my song them, man. Drop my song them and get beer forward and come off. You see me?
Just take it forward.
Yeah, that was a memorable performance because I just watched the man watch a big artist, hot artist at the time, shell the stage. The crowd now want to see nothing else but the next hot artist. One man just get boo before me. And then me in the same hot seat there and deliver through it.
One thing me I tell you, I know your heart supposed to be in your
Yeah, man.
To do something like that, me would have write down that performance and say,
Yeah,
me
man.
and my this.
Yeah, man, never forget that,
Yeah,
man.
man. So, as we say, we're glad say from that performance now you start to build yourself on a level. So, with what going on in the world now, so how does Curtisay stay relevant now for what going on in the world with this pandemic, or did I say it right? Pandemic, I mean, what we say now? I want them to be able to epidemic or one of them then.
Yeah. Well, for me, I never been the type of artist or person that really depended on going out or because I kind of come, as you say, I come in the industry kind of in this digital era and I learn and started moving about in the digital space before. So with the pandemic, yeah, I don't really want to pick the side.
Yeah.
In the pandemic,
Disclaimer, they will be
it not really changed too much for me because I've always been constant and strategic in the way how I put out music. And I've never really depended on going to this dance or going to this show.
You don't have a studio at your house. You have
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
This brother don't have a studio. He have a lab. He have a lair. He have a place. He have a base.
Yeah.
That's why I'm calling it best out. Because sometimes you want to find this brother.
Yeah.
The days him the answer for you just laying in the lab, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
that is one of the advantages you have over most artists. You basically always have a house studio.
Yeah. So it's always been from home to the world. So now that everybody locked in and have to work it that way from home to the world, like I was already doing it 6 years ago. So everything what everybody doing now, trying to get them studio in a them house, trying to get them music out from in a them house, doing them own videos, doing them things. I already been doing that from the beginning of my
So you
career.
were way ahead.
It's pretty comfortable for me. It's not really uncomfortable. It's like everybody just come to my settings now. So
Curtisay said this.
yeah.
So name some of the other producers you have worked with in your space of career
Yeah.
from 2009 to the present time.
Yeah. I've worked with Mighty Mike. I've worked with Lenky Marsden. The great Lenky Marsden.
Big up
We
Lenky.
did dual rhythm. I've worked with. Those are the ones that people know, but I work with a lot of producers. I work with, just last year alone, I worked with over 100 different producers worldwide. So
Yo, you're right. You should check some of the fat.
it a build up still.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it a
Because
build.
then again, people, they my name can be on the name Curtisay cameras. I must know that going.
Yeah, it a take time, build up still.
So where can people find you on the social media?
Yeah, you know, it's Curtisay, and you can find me with that on any streaming platform and pretty much all social media networks. Except for probably like other one in here.
What, MySpace?
No man, MySpace check-in man. Yeah, everywhere still.
All right. The song we are on with now, right? Jai's in my pocket.
Yeah. Well, right now me I run with a project.
Yeah.
Yeah. So not just one
Not
song.
just- yeah, but you know that was it, you know. when
That's this week's song.
yeah.
Yeah.
Cause when I Google that, I see far
Yeah,
open. I
yeah.
see Jai's in my
Yeah.
pocket. You know?
To this week.
Yeah, but you know the song, cause you know people want Jah beside them, all the
Yeah.
Jah go in your pocket. You know?
Jah go in your pocket. Jah go in your pocket is not your physical pocket, you know. It's your person. You know, your pocket strap on your side, no closer to you than your pocket. Them,
Yeah,
you
I
know.
know, cause you
So,
know, Mike,
I say
money.
keep Jah closer to you
Yeah.
than even your pocket. So I say, yo, keep him in your pocket, not put him outside of your pocket, cause your pocket are gonna be the closest thing to you. So make sure say, oh yeah. So make sure say him is always as close to you as
Well, I
possible.
like that song, still Jah in that car. I make sure Jah in my pocket. In my heart,
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
In your mind.
in my
yeah.
mind, and in there, my Yardstyle. So
Yeah.
before we go, just give a little piece of the song that the Jai's in my pocket.
Yeah.
People, Yardstyle live. Curtisay, Campbell.
Yeah, man. Me nah left me heart without Jah in my pocket yard. Without Jah, me nah left me heart. Can't left him, can't leave him. Can't left him, can't leave him. Yeah, man.
And this segment is brought to you by the legendary Backyard magazine.
This is Yardstyle live, and I have to keep it real.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, so Margada,
Yes, I.
what go? How the name that come about?
Well, you say what I go on. Well, right now, Yardstyle live I go on. See? And the name Magadan came about because, you know, I'm a farmer selector.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I got the
Which
name.
sound?
I used to play a sound back in the days, Magnum Force.
You know it.
Yes,
This
man.
is Celeb recording.
Original sound
Yeah.
back in the days.
Yeah.
So my first night on the sound, that's how I got the name. Because I didn't know anything about the sound. So they just invite me to put a little flavor to the sound. So you know them time that you reach a dance early and sound and string up. So
Early what?
early, yeah. So because at the time when they were putting out the boxes and all of them things, I just run through the record box and formulate a juggling. The time I was very small, you know, so you don't know the thing, go. But the MC, he's the one who gave me the name. But the sound never have no flavor, you know, in terms of how if it mix neatly and, you know what I mean? I've even listened to how me even sing and even how I write songs. You know what I mean? I do it like a composition. You know what I mean?
And well, and that before we have Serac and anything there.
No
Like
laptop.
go in a box and
Yeah.
fix up record and it's
Yeah.
something.
You know the thing, because them time, as Phill is saying, no, we never have any laptops and everything. So you only can play from one library, which is owned by the sound owner. So we run through the record box and set the juggling, and the night now, me just start shell the place in terms of how me a select and a mix neat and all them things there and how we set the dance. So the selector, Rocky Culture, is his name.
Yeah. Big up Rocky Culture.
Yeah, man. So he's the one who gave me that name the night. He just stopped the dance and said, as of tonight, Margaret the name. And that's how the name, you know, remain.
Okay, so you're a selector. How did this change come from being a selector to being a singer now or a DJ?
You know, some more time in a life still, me done. Because it's all surrounded by music, you know. So we were just doing music, and some of the time you not even really know what you really are doing. Because you know, not even you of yourself never discover, you know, the talent.
Oh, so you did up on a search.
Not really a searching, I just a play music and I do the thing, and you know. But me always have a way of, when I start to cut dub plates and all them things, me always, you know what I mean, arrange, because he's a great arranger, you know, with a record, writing and all of that. And to be honest, still I was around singers from I was small, like this dude named Michael Shepard. People ask me over and over, who is my singer, and when I tell them it's Michael Shepard, people, the name not even ring a bell, but
I know him.
all right. But you know, Michael Shepard is the first thing. You know, Dennis Brown is my favorite singer overall. But Margaret is a youth to listen to all type of music, you know.
You're
like,
influenced by all genres.
yes, man, all genre music. You know, Anita Baker, differently from how I love her songs. I love her too, you know. But I'm like a dream girl, you know.
For real?
Yeah, man, I love Anita, man.
I changed my dream.
Eh? Yeah, man, but you know that the funniest thing still, with me, you know, my thing is based on sound system. 'Cause you know, I'm coming from, that's where I'm coming from. Sound system. So, me always sing dub plates, you know, and singing customs for sound system. Never really want to record a serious 45. Just want to dubs and all them things.
You want to make some custom dub?
That's why I come out with it. I mean, do the thing when you big sound tune up, you know. Where you hear the tweet of them and sting by themselves and swing left and right. And I did a song called Dancehall Controversy. And even though I still the sound songs, because I made the sound balance. Just make the top end chuckle, no make the bass line roll. You know, all them songs. I say, watch out now, take in the bad sound, yeah. And all them kind of songs, sound style. You know what I mean? So, but you know, thanks to Luciana still. You know what I mean? Because we did a dub play together, me and him. A dub together, and him said, no, man, God and Star, you know, say, you sound better than enough of them artists here. You know what I mean? Because to help me just relax and just sing. You know what I mean? And big up Warrior King too. Warrior King said, no, you have to take it serious. Warrior King is the first man. Warrior King even went and paid for my bio.
Wow.
Because them see the talent, you know.
Big up Warrior King.
Yeah, man, big up Warrior King, man. And people never know this, but Capeton is one of my best friends. You know, the music industry, you know. I've been around Capeton from I was small too, you know what I mean? And the funniest thing, you know, when I was going to school, you know, I used to write on my hardcover book, you know, alphabetical order, you know, Bounty Killer, Bojo, and Capeton. Right through. I mean, like, a matter of fact, I love Capeton style. If you know, say Capeton can sing DJ, sing J. You know what I mean? You're not really stuck in a one.
So those
thing.
were your, so you said the Beanie Man, the Bounty Killer, the Capeton, Warrior King, they were your earliest, and Luciana.
Yeah, man, Luciana.
So them people start to say, you know what, I'm going to take this thing for the next level. I make custom dub, I go sing to.
And you want to know, say, all them time I do is when I do the song with them big sound tune up, you know, my brother. And you see it run off and I mash up the whole place. And yeah, man, and then I say, it still never move me, you know. But it's when I did the song called Dancehall Controversy. Because guess what, no, my brother? Enough people.
How that song there go?
Dancehall Controversy, I say, Dancehall Controversy. After me say tune up and have the whole world a tune me. Enough selector face a bend up so me know them heart no clean. You know what I mean? So that was like a song and a poem in one. As I was talking a bunch of stuff about the selector them where I reach a dance late and one bag of thing me I say in the song. You see me? So that was the first song I heard on the radio.
Real?
Like I voiced the song like about 4 o'clock in the evening. And then I hear it in the night on the radio. And I say, oh, they must say, you have to do XYZ stuff for you to be playing on the radio. So when me hear my voice I come through the speaker, then I say, no, sir.
Evans Lick.
Yeah, man, I say, yo. That song was played by GT Taylor, because it's very different.
GT, yeah.
So I say, yeah, you hear me? Now I ramp with the road, you know.
And you say GT too. It's them because sound clash thing there.
He love them thing there. So I noticed that whether you're a disc jockey, people like something different.
Different, yeah.
You know what I mean? And that was totally different. You know what I mean? And from that, I said, no, sir. Because me, the boy have good writing skill. Me just start tear the road. So me just go record Respect. You know, Respect is one of the first songs like I record professionally.
Yeah, by who? Who was the producer at the time?
J Keys Records.
And they're based in
St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz. Yeah, man. And from that, King, songs like Water, never stop. Because me as a youth, we don't stop, you know. Never stop.
Yo, this is Music Phill, and this is Yardstyle Live. And you don't know upon Yardstyle Live today, we have Marga Dan. Marga Dan. Well forward. Yardstyle Live. Big up. Respect.
This one is reality. I want you to listen very carefully. Ayata. There's something I want to tell you, and there's something I think that you should know. Say, girl, I need love, but most of all I need respect in each and every little aspect, 'cause I can't take it no more. I need a friend, someone that I can relate to, but all we do is just argue. No, I can't take it no more. You say you love me and still you cheat. You respect me, girl, you wouldn't tweet. I'm afraid to even walk the street. You have man a pint and asking off them teeth. Girl, you should understand. Remember, I'm a name brand. Happiness is the key to life. That's why I couldn't take you for my wife. I need love, but most of all I need respect in each and every little aspect. Cause I can't take it no more. Woman, I need a friend, someone that I can relate to. But all we do is just argue. No, I can't take it no more. I agree you have me on your DP, but at the same time you block Anthony and unblock him when it reached day 3. Good out with that girl, you're free. It seems we never meant to be, and that's the reality. Forget about creating a family. This relationship is history, because I need love, but most of all I need respect in each and every little aspect. Cause I can't take it no more. Oh girl, I need a friend, someone that I can relate to. But all we do is just argue. No, I can't take it no more. Yeah, yeah, man. Kicking next track. I'll be tired of the pandemic, you know. Quincy in the building. Say what? I want to them. Papa Phill. Margadan, inna the road like road. We don't stop till we pocket them load. Guillotine sharper than a samurai sword. We a beat them, but we not fi use broadboard. Yardstyle, inna the road like road. We don't stop till we pocket them load. Guillotine sharper than a samurai sword. We a beat them bad. So me ask them, you ever frost till you can't buy a frost? No for jive markets and still a run out of gas. Big up you get to use them, we work very hard and smart. Have a little something stash, pocket full of bricks and them don't own a block. I sleep in a car with them friend them a catch. Anything make hungry and dig out them tribe. Cause they not even own one pot, but inna the road like road. We not stop till we pocket them load. Guillotine sharper than a samurai sword. We a beat them, we not fi use broadboard. Phill say, inna the road like road. We not stop till we pocket them load. Guillotine sharper than a samurai sword. We a beat them bad. So get to use, go for the food cause we a hunt it. Honestly, cause we nah be no culprit. But some boy too lazy and workless and tell me them a chopper, them need to get a cutlass. But on not every street carry white line. So Magadan, out there like the asphalt. The time is now, so we depend the grind. If you not make it so me know why your fault. Them blow like bulb, that's why them not shine. And come a road a hype and a exalt. The girl them say we sweet like sugar, not lime. If you can't get a girl, that means say you sad. How? Inna the road like road. We not stop till we pocket them load. Guillotine sharper than a samurai. We a beat them bad. Quincy, you're better than the whole of them. In our music, you a give them problem. With style and melody and intelligence. Bun down any show with enough confidence. Javel, better than the whole of them. In our music, we a give them problem. With style and melody and intelligence. Bun down any show with enough confidence. Now me hear them a shout. Yeah, what a boy can sing. But wait, now him this one and next bad rhythm. Having play lyrics like a Shabba ranking. Them say, more time me sound like me chanting. Well on. Them say them can't understand anywhere them see me them a ask a question. How you so bad? How you get so long? Now Father God sent me to complete this mission. I be better than the whole of them. What is Father?
So, this new change that you're making in life from being a selector, who used to do the custom dog, to being a singer now, where has it taken Margadan?
All over, you know, 'cause, you know, I've been to a couple of places, you know, travel and everything, but it's still hard work, you know, and me not really take the thing for no hype. Me just know that the journey just starts, regardless of why, you know, we just take the time and I do the thing, you know what I mean? Because if you notice, you know, Phill, Mr. Youth, I mean, I hang out still.
Okay.
You know, I don't
when
know.
you're laid back, you know, most of the people come from that side of the world and start to do.
Yeah, man, me lay back. Me stay home and do work. See, big up Capleton again. Capleton say, Margadan, now watch them, work. So be hide and work, you know what I mean? You know, actually I have 2 albums.
Real?
Yeah, and I haven't released any one of them yet.
I know you're full of material, you.
Yeah, man, material there, man. Where you say, man, ready.
So, let me ask. Apart from Jamaica, you haven't done any traveling? You have
Yeah,
traveling?
man, I've been a couple places with Lucia and Jock or Cape Town, you know what I mean? Chesedek, same Warrior King, you know what I mean? Do a couple shows, you know what I mean?
So you basically told the world the royal roots of reggae, as to say.
Yeah, man, and we're ready for anything, man. As me I tell you, we try and sing some of the best love songs, them, and then we sing some of the best God bless songs, them, man. Songs to make you happy and all them things. So, I'm a versatile youth, you know what I mean? As me done tell you, I sing J, I'm a DJ. So no feel no way, you know, we have the lyrics to split the place, you know. You know what I mean? Because we don't laugh. Because as me I say, Mr. Youth now, being in the dance hall has helped me a lot. Because, you know what I mean, you have to can read, when you select sound, you have to can read the
Read the
people.
crowd.
Read the crowd.
So it's the same thing when you're entertaining, you have to can
Read the crowd.
You read the vibes of the crowd, the vibration.
The vibration. Because the same thing as a selector, the same job of an artist. You know? So not because you have a portion of songs. You know what I mean? You have to know which one, you know what I mean?
Time and place.
Time and place,
timing.
you know, to shift on the thing. So. Yeah, man.
So most memorable performance, I'm gonna ask each artist, you know, Margaret, which place you go and you say when you shell it,
Yeah, man.
it's too good for you, it make you come back and think and say, Jano.
You
All right.
man, you want to know, say, me go Rebel Salute and, you know, how you man attack, you know. You need them wobbly in a car. Yeah, man.
When them say next on stage,
yeah, man, you want
I
to
move to come and say, next on stage, you know, because some of the
you
artists,
want
hold on, it's some of the people that bring across and say, next on stage we have Margaret.
Yeah,
You said move to do it. People next on stage, Margaret, and him drop the mic, then you're gone. And,
Yeah, man, you want
it's not everybody bring you across properly. Some people leave you, you just go on by yourself.
Yes.
Oh, you manage.
Yeah. No, you're with me now. It's a spiritual youth. So it's like, say, nowhere in the world, no stage show. Because Mr. Boy got every stage show in the spirit already. You know?
Yeah.
So I read the salute. Mr. Man, I got read the salute one time, but actually, see, before I got read the salute,
You got around 20
I got
times.
about 100 times already,
Like
man.
your mindset.
Yeah, man, I tell you. So anywhere in the world, if me even go there for the first in the physical, been there in the spirit.
100 times.
You understand? Then watch the Kingdom and I got a show already and me we got a show. I went and the door bust and I said, Jesus Christ, Margaret, what did you get yourself in? Well, I see the amount of people and I say, yo, you take up music from your head, you know, brother. So watch out, you just got to do this work, I tell you, your heart I go race, man.
So how the Rebel Salute thing I go now?
No, the Rebel Salute thing now. You know, say Lucy called me out. And Lucy was, I don't know if I should even say this still, but Mr. Youth, I mean him, Margaret, saying the controversy boss, and we can't talk nothing about the truth.
Yeah.
Saying, you know, Lucy called me out, and trust me, when Lucy called me out, and you know, the brother will stand up with the mic, you know, dip for the mic, so you know, King, the man, draw with the mic, you know, done. And I say, yeah, Lucy, I say, Margaret, and the big Rebel Salute, I go so again for the mic. Man, like him, and I say, who you know, go out there, you know, I say, King. Lucy called me the third time, I run and jump over one box about this tall, man. So you keep the mic there, see the one that Lucy have in my hand, hit me one. And me just spring and jump over and grab the mic, you know, brother, and sing. And I wasn't even singing on my rhythm, I just sing, cause that's Rebel Salute, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, but the music is not an easy road.
So we sang this thing right there, sir?
Sing the Respect song, cause that's basically that's the song we were promoting at the time, you know what I mean? It's a song we can reach to the people very quick. I don't know, a song where I take long for warm up. You know what I mean? As I hear it, you know, you can gravitate. But that's how I try to write my songs. That's as I hear it, because I'm supposed to sing a song right now. And any one of you guys leaving right now, so I can sing if I even one word.
I relate to it and remember.
Yeah,
2 words,
man.
relate and remember.
I remember. Yeah, man, I tell you. That's what we always do. Back in the selecting, where we are select sound, the same thing we normally do. Because when we are leave dance, you have to leave the dance and say that boy, then normal, you know.
No, you have to leave a mark.
You have to stamp your authority, man.
Stamp it.
Yeah, man.
Like when we stamp out the bad man.
But we got enough show.
All right. So, where can they find Margaret on the social media?
Well, you can't, although me is not really a social media man, but that I run the place. So you can find the real Margaret on Instagram and Margaret on Facebook, you know. Yeah, man, and big up management, because you don't know Kevin Barrett, you know what I mean? And big up road manager, Quincy in Records, you know. He's living in Kingston here. You know.
Okay, so Margaret, the song we are promoting now, which song you promote now? We just want to hear peace. I know say Yardstyle like this and we keep it real, you know. If I even one or
you know,
piece.
say, all right, to be honest with you, know, which side me forgot, because I record so much songs, you know what I mean? I have a record a song the other day for Firewayne. And the
Yeah, upon the capture land rhythm.
Capture land rhythm.
Big up Fireway.
Yes, man. So my voice, I record a song called Love Land.
Hear it.
That's with him. Girl, you capture my heart like a piece of land. Fence it up and let us live as one. Really together, girl, we belong. Yes, you know, big song. Big up Fireway. Yeah. And I have a new song coming out right now and a dancehall rhythm for London. A song called Fake Friends. If me can't trust me friend, it no make sense we par. When I walk alone than have him a drive in a me car. It's best we stay far. Everything change from me reach at the bar. Yeah, we go for party. See, they no waiting up in a war. Sick of jealousy, him want give me scar. Yeah, but I'm the son of God, shine brighter than the star. So we have to reach far, so careful of fake friends, fake friends. Watch it now, bombing when it drop, yeah?
People. I'm mager than this, you see me respect. But here what, mager than the boss here, you know. You know the one song, you know, a song named Do Road.
Yeah, man. Inna the road like road. Not stop till we pocket them load. Guillotine sharper than a samurai sword. We a beat them, but we not fi use broadboard. Phill say, inna the road like road. We not stop till we pocket them load. Samurai sharper than a samurai sword. We a beat them bad. Phill ask, you ever frost till you can't buy a frost. Nuff go buy markets and still a run out of gas.
People,
yeah, man.
You don't know Yardstyle Live, you don't know how Magadan with the whole history from a selector to a singer, man. You know, DJ, producer, farmer. Yo, so many accolades.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, Magadan, kind of say Yardstyle Live. I say on Yardstyle Live, yes, sir, we keep it real.
Yeah, man.
Magadan, big up. Respect.
Every time, man. I'm big up Ayatrad family, you know, Javed. You know, me there town and right through the time.
Yeah, man.
Ayatrad, big up yourself, Javed, man. They make sure say, I'm a color, I'm fixing. Make sure say your needs.
People,
you know.
Magadan this.
This segment is brought to you by O'Sullivan and Company Stain Blaster, making cleaning easier.
I am Music Phill, and this is Yardstyle Live. And on Yardstyle Live video showcase this week, we have Loot and Fire, Jock is on my side. Produced by Raz Primetime Music. So check it out. Jock is on my side, Loot and Fire.
Intentions are good, but might be misunderstood. Yes, on my side. See them a look so fickle, so them try to come my style. I know, child's on my side. Just me never take a dollar for your drink. Child's on my side. See them a look so fickle, so them try to come my style. I know, child's on my side.
And this segment is brought to you by Jamrock Records Publishing.
This is Music Phill with this week's Hot 5 picks. Number 5, Giant in My Pocket, Curtisay. Number 4, Word of Prayer, Gage. Number 3, My Story, Mr. Vegas. Number 2, Roll Deed, Tentic. New at number 1, Lockdown, Baby Shop. This is Music Phill. Thank you for watching Yardstyle Live. So please go like, comment, share, subscribe to Yardstyle Live on all social media outlets. Check it out. Yardstyle Live. Check it out.